everybody, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the AMC 8 2017 problem number 18. So the problem is a geometry problem, and I've already drawn the diagram right here with the measurements too. So what the problem wants you to find is the area of this quadrilateral, and it seems that we don't know how to solve it. But there's one way we can do it, and if we draw in just this line right here, it will make it so much better, because we see that first this is a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, so this is length 5, and therefore this must also be a right triangle because a 5, 12, 13 triangle. So we realize there's so many good things happening right here, and all I have to do is subtract the whole area, subtract this area from the whole area of this triangle. And we know that the area of this triangle is 3 times 4 over 2, which is 6. So this has area 6. And meanwhile, the area of this whole triangle is 5 times 12 over 2. And calculating that, we find that it's 30. So subtracting 6 from 30, we get 30 minus 6 equals 24. And we're done. And that's the answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I also have other videos on AMC 8, and I recently have published videos on 2018 AMC 8 answers. So if you want to go check those out, you can go click on my channel and look at those. So thanks for watching.